Happy Sunday! Oh my gosh, check it out! We've got a scary pumpkin and we've got a happy pumpkin. This is the Lush pumpkin gift for Halloween. Yesterday I did the backpack. This is actually the bat backpack. I have a video up for this. This is really cute, but unfortunately the black cat bubble bar mixed with the pink monsters ball bath bomb and it got all messy. Lush is actually sending me a new bubble bar and bath bomb because they got kind of all messed up. So I'm going to see what this one is like. I like the packaging in this one. I think it's super cute. It's got like a little handle on it here. I like the card. You can basically see what's in here and you can say to and from. So I'm kind of liking this. Oh, container made in Germany. Really cute container. So let me cut this guy open and see how everything fared in this one. This is actually $24.95 for one of these. Just don't cut myself here. And they will be in stores on October 5th, which is tomorrow. So that's kind of fun. Oh my gosh, why can't I cut this guy open? Like cutting a pumpkin open. Okay, did I get it? Yes, I did it. Okay, so you gotta, there's like a little strip on here and you have to cut that. Oh, there's another one on the side here. So look, I gotta cut this one too. This thing is well packed. Okay, so let's see what everything looks like in here. Okay, you open it up and then of course we've got the, this one is much nicer, you guys. So we've got the little foamy, I don't know, those are biodegradable peanuts in here. But for some reason, this one actually looks a lot better. Although, see, the problem is what happens when Lush has these like really dark bubble bars, they tend to leak. But look how much nicer this one looks than the one I got yesterday. Look at yesterday's compared to today's. Oh my gosh. This one actually looks like a cat. So that is good, like I said, but Lush is pretty good. All you have to do is go on online chat if something is damaged, and they will send out a new one. I also got in here the Lord of Miseral bath bomb. This is one of my favorite Lush bath bombs of all time. So, oh my gosh, this smells so good. If you're going to get anything from Lush, I would say this is like the absolute best bath bomb that they've ever made. Let me get on here. This one is, why can't I click on here? Oh, that's really weird. It's funny because on Lush, they aren't like clickable if you go to the to look at the scent notes, which is really weird. They do have free shipping right now on $55, but let me just go over here. The scent notes on this one are patchouli, black pepper oil, and inside of this one, it does have popping candy, and it's green and then pink inside. This is, like I said, one of my all-time favorite bath bombs from Lush. So that's cool. And then I got a, check it out, this one has a little bit of black on it from the bubble bar. This one is called, if you haven't seen this one yet, it's called Pumpkin. Actually, it's pumpkin. They put the pumpkin first. Pumpkin. How funny is that? I feel like this bath bomb was made for me because you all know I say pumpkin, and I'm not the only one because otherwise Lush wouldn't have named bath bomb pumpkin. So I think that's awesome. This one has cinnamon leaf oil in it. It smells amazing, and then when it melts, it's like orange, and it's all yellow, and it's super cute. So, I highly recommend this one. This one I think is, of the two, I think I like this one better. I mean, unless you have someone in mind who's absolutely going to use the little backpack, because this is probably something that you'd only use at Halloween. I mean, it's got like bat wings on it. It's cute. And if you're into those collectibles, that's fine. But if you're gifting someone something as just a cute little thing, I think this is a much better gift because they're going to get 2 bath bombs and then they're going to get the bubble bar. So I think that's like a really perfect gift. So this is the one I would go for. And this one is, like I said, it's only $24 and they will be in stores tomorrow, which is really cool. If you didn't hear me yesterday, I did order Lush Christmas. I can't believe Lush Christmas is up already. Are you kidding me? I feel like Christmas is just plowing on in here, you guys. We can't stop it. So it's a coming. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another Vlogoween Vlogtober video. Bye-bye.